Once you enter your name and email sa page na to, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you sa ilalim ng Powerline mo. You only have 24 hours trial period to lock in your position or miss out. So you can lock in your position and start your journey with us by becoming a member of Seacrest for just 498 pesos a month, plus a one-time affiliate sign-up fee of 2,498 pesos up to 9,498 pesos depende sa volume ng products na kailangan mo. The best part is, you'll also get a free seaweed product package that you can choose from, and it will be delivered right to your doorstep. Money value, isn't it? Hindi lang yan. Lahat ng mga taong nag-lock in ng position sa ilalim ng Powerline mo will be placed sa ating fast-filling 2x15 levels na organizational structure. So the faster you lock in your position, the higher you will be placed in the organization. By supporting and becoming a seaweed advocate, you can save money on high-quality products that keep you and your family healthy. At kung nagkataon na lagyan ka ng mga tao under your organization and you earn extra 10 to 50,000 pesos a month, mas maganda. Hindi lang yan. Once lumaki na yung organization mo, pwede kang kumita up to 800,000 pesos a month. Attainable without forcing you to enroll a single person. In case you're wondering, pati na din yung mga taong nagposisyon ng maaga, since no choice sila at posibleng malagyan sila ng mga tao or active subscribers, sila rin ay entitled sa monthly subscription bonus kahit wala silang na-enroll. Amazing, di ba? And if you choose to enroll and share Seacrest opportunity to people, you'll earn a lot more with our weekly Fast Start commissions. Here's how it works. For example, you enrolled 5 people. You will earn 30% affiliate commission on every person you choose to enroll. Ibig sabihin, the person you enroll ay makakatanggap ng free products at may 30% bonus ka pa. Ang laki, di ba? On top of this, you'll even earn bigger with our monthly matching bonuses. Hindi ka lang kumita sa referral commission. Kundi, you will also match 50% of whatever the amount of their monthly bonuses. Let's take a look at the math. If each of those 5 people you personally enrolled earns a 50,000 peso subscription bonus, you will match 50% of that amount, which is 25,000 pesos each person. So that's a total of 125,000 pesos just from matching bonuses. The best part is, there's no limit to how many people you can match. The more people you enroll, the more income matches you'll receive. Not to mention the match earnings up to 5 generation levels. Ibang klase. Now it gets even more exciting. You can increase your income multiplier kapag ikaw ay na-promote, from director rank up to the highest rank, which is global director. So ang dami mong options dito sa Seacrest, di ba? Not to mention, may mga company benefits pa. Grabe, halos binalik lang din ulit sa mga affiliates nila. Nasa iyo na lang talaga kung gaano mo kabilis gusto kumita. It's your decision to make. Now, let's move to the industry's most frequently asked question. Magkano ang maximum income dito or limit ng pwedeng kitain? The answer is, wala. Walang minimum or maximum. Dito sa Seacrest, you are free to earn however, wherever, and as much as you desire. Forget about the traditional safety nets and flush outs. Hindi lang generous yung compensation, but most importantly, may nakukuha kang money value products sa lahat ng bayad mo. Dapat lang naman. With hundreds and maybe thousands of people joining Seacrest in the next 12 months, mapupunta yung accounts nila sa mga taong nakapasok at nakapag-secure na ng position ng mas maaga sa ating organization. Once again, the sooner na ma-lock in mo yung position mo, the higher you will be placed in the group organization. Now, if you think we can help you live a better and healthier life over the next 12 months, then be one of us. So fill out the form and discover why people are calling Seacrest the new market disruptor. Let me end this video by saying, here in Seacrest, we don't convince people. People convince themselves. And together, let's transform lives, one seaweed at a time.